So hello guys, welcome to my new video. So today we are going to talk about the trending trap. So in this video I will be do complete breakdown about the viral trends, creator, entrepreneur and the startup. We will go through the whole points about this. So in this video we cover the topic like why trending idea look attractive, why they secure fail and most people, the psychology behind the trap, the real example from the business and content, and why they should do instant or not. So let's start. So first of all, lots of people see the more popular the business, and you can the more money of the business. Example, the business have more popularity, so lots of people think the money was also no more. So that was the issue come, because in popularity, the competition was also become more. So advantage is that making the business already before the trend, they able to generate more revenue as compared to other, because they have more experience as compared to other. And in the trend, lots of new people will come and they does not have experience about that, the work experience and all other stuff. So making revenue in the trend was little bit harder, because the who building business before the trend, they be able to generate more revenue. And competition was also become more. And so what you check, if the trending idea was good, competition was also good, you're supposed to check the time of the market. If the time of the market is low, so it create issue. And what happened with high or low? If the time of the market is low, so who will win? Who have already built a business previously. So the time of the market is also short, means the lots of low people want the solution what you are providing. So if the market was big popular, then it's okay. But if the time of the market is low, then trending idea will be not work, because the more popular who building the business previously, they generate, and they who have more revenue, they able to generate in this, because they have already have low people. And you, so money will be generated by that people only. So that was the whole topic, that was the whole first point. When you see the trend, you're already late, because the main business was built by earlier 3 to 5 months, or maybe with the 1 year, who already know exact pain point, know the customer relationship. So that was the first. Second, the three psychology trap behind this. First one, the social illusion. So that was, I already explained this topic. Social illusion means that only the competition, the popularity. So that was the whole point was covered. Let's go to the FOMO trap. So if you're already chasing the trend and you're not building the skill, it's also create a issue. What happened, the trend was come fast and go fast also. The trend was come fast and go fast also. If you're not building skill, just try to make revenue by copying business, then you create issue after that. Because if the trend was go, you cannot able to generate new business, because you does not have any skill, you doesn't learn about skill, any strategy, any differentiation. You already just copying other and building. So that was the issue come in the FOMO trap. So you supposed to check if you able to generate a good skill or not. If the business also fail, it's okay, but you can apply this same type of strategy in the another business. So the able to learn skill is most important in any type of trend. With just chasing like copy and pasting and other stuff, you unable to generate revenue, because the trend was is very low type. It's very means the very short time. That was the whole point. That's why reason most people fail. First, on the massive competition, I already explained on that topic. If more funded, more experienced people come, then your chance of making revenue was goes low. Second, no unique position. I will explain in the whiteboard. If product was not unique, means the differentiation not there. Then chance was come because you're building the same product as competitor. If the competitor price was low, then the customer will buy that product, not you. So it create a issue. So you have to supposed to be 10 to 20% better to with your competitor or different. That was the whole point. So algorithm favor means algorithm was mainly focused on that who built the business earlier. Algorithm was only focused on that who do business earlier as compared to you, because you're supposed to go on social media, talk about your business. In social media, the attention was go through already doing a business earlier. In trending like topic, lots of old creator who also switch and go to the trend also. So that was a favor of come. So that was the unique. That was a disadvantage of that, because algorithm was only focused more who get the view more. And if you're not making good views, or in the social media insta also, if your the post was not good, then the algorithm was always give a less attention as compared to other. So you get really invisible in this trending like stuff. And trending ideas are always a short trend cycle. I explained the previous one. And no skill also, you cannot able to learn, build a visibility, skill build longevity. That was the whole point, because you does not learn any skill, you only focus on like generate revenue. You're supposed to learn the skill, the differentiation in the real story. So build like the problem solving product, solve any problem. Apple's building ecosystem, Amazon building infrastructure. So that type of product is take time, but it take win as compared to trendy. That was the whole thing. Second, what is the pain idea? Pain solve a urgent need. We are differentiating the pain and not paining business. So I will tell what the pain business and what not pain business is supposed to do. So example of pain point, solving problem of business. What was the business problem of getting customer acquisition, if you're building with AI or not AI. If you're solving this problem, the customer will definitely pay. So customer does not check the product is AI or not, they check they get a value or not. If get value, if you charge $50 per service or any product, they will pay definitely. So this is a problem in any situation there, customer losing customer, any business have this problem. If you solve this problem, then you get a good amount of range charge. People struggling with weight loss, example, you building a uh, B2C app of struggling weight, do they give exact calories deficit thing, what to do, what giving a daily target, and it focus on particular that type only. Example, focus making a B2C app for female weight loss. You will giving a exact thing what to do, what not to do. It will be work and differentiate for other example. There is a lot of B2C app like doing this weight loss thing. So if you are doing differently, then you will company waste time on manual work. If you're building also in AI agent, in this situation you will get a good amount of customer manual work. If you're building a AI agent particular focus on niche, company wasting time on the manual work. Example, a software company, if you build a particular type of automation for particular niche, then it will be work. Student failing exam, you build this product, it will be work. So this type of actual pain point, if you deep analyze and think this type of, they have lot of problem and you can solve them. So they are a problem you definitely need to think. And non-pair means the fancy thing. Pain means customer definitely want thing, and fancy means if they does not use our service, then also his life is okay. But pain have, they supposed to do thing. So that was a different on pain and no pain thing. Example of non pain idea like another AI wrapper, random productive app, 10 based NFTs. So this is the non productive things, so we're supposed to avoid. So think, analyze the pain and give the solution. That was the whole motto of a business. This is a basic matrix of the business. If it's not proper, then you does not able to generate a good amount of sales and revenue. Solve urgent problem, solve curious problem, customer already searching, so customer needed convince. So the marketing cost also come. There is no marketing cost come because you have supposed to direct DM, you know the exact customer. That was the whole difference on this. Faster sales, harder sales, strong word to mouth, weak retention. So that was the whole thing of loop. This is the dangerous loop. You can see trend hits, shift and growth slow, competition rises, small initial results. So that was the whole thing. This is a basic loop. So what to do actually? First, as does not go on trend. Instead of AI agents, focus on business need automations that have big issue, big problem. Build skill, not hype. Do not expire, trend expire. I already explained in previous one, trend also expire. So build that valuable skill. You can also generate, if the trend also gone, you can apply on another business. So that was the whole motto. You take, use trend as a distribution, use AI trend as a distribution, talk to AI in your niche, talk to user, analyze the problem and give the solution that wise, not a random AI hype. Build a genuine product. If you build a genuine product, the customer will already there. You're supposed to just tell, I am solving this problem. If you charge more also, if problem is really genuine, then the customer will really pay. So that was the whole thing. Anti-10 framework work. Ask them what is the problem is permanent, skill cannot automate, make market was make value as product consistent. This was the whole thing I explained. So yeah, this is the whole point of the video. Does not chase trend, build foundation. Trend create noise, fast growth attract, consistency create authority. So take any, does not take any random trendy AI agent or any other stuff like drop shipping, like because they have already a lot of competition was there. Try to find a better paying option, and you can think, first think you can able to solve the problem or not. If you able to solve, then you can just build, and one day yeah you can able to generate revenue. So that was the whole thing. Does not chase trends, focus on boring business that have a huge problem. If you able to make and solve the problem, then you can generate the revenue. So that was the whole topic. This whole PDF, I give a GitHub link, you can just download and go through. So that's all in this video.